This video gives you a step-by-step process for effectively installing a new Leader MultApplier insert into a new Leader spreader hopper. Before the installation begins, make sure you've read the installation manual carefully. First, disconnect the grease lines if equipped. Next, remove the feed gate jack handle and then store the hold down pin on the deflector. Cut off all tire wraps and pull the grease lines through the side sheet. Unplug any connectors. Remove the hillside divider. You can now remove the rear end gate. Depending upon the model, there will be either one or two lift hooks on the inside of the rear end gate. These can be used to safely lift the end gate from the unit. After attaching to the lift hook, remove the 4 sets of hardware. Slowly remove the end gate, watching out for the feed gate jack shaft. If your box is equipped with a bin sensor that will be used on the MultApplier, be sure to remove this sensor from the end gate and reinstall it in the MultApplier. You can now remove the inverted V Before installation, adjust the rear feed gate to obtain the yield or application rates desired. You should also adjust the front feed gate at this time to obtain yield desired. We are now ready to lift the insert into the spreader hopper. Always use an approved 4-point lifting device to hoist the empty MultApplier insert into the spreader hopper. Carefully lower the insert into the spreader hopper while making sure that all existing cable and hoses are free and out of the way from getting pinched. Be sure to line up the slots and attach the hardware. There are 8 sets of hardware to be attached. A large drift punch may be required to align the holes. Make sure there is a complete seal covering the gap between the MultApplier insert and the side sheets of the spreader. Now, plug in the rate sensor, bin level sensor, and grease lines if equipped. All lines should be secured with tie wraps. Adjust hillside divider so the middle divider is centered over both conveyors. The middle divider should also be centered over the spinner material divider, making sure the divider is not touching the conveyors. You can then place the cover on the MultApplier by inserting the hairpins. Now, detach the quick disconnects on the spreader hopper and MultApplier insert. Be sure to attach the MultApplier insert hose to the spreader hopper and the spreader hopper hose to the insert. Complete the installation by going around the entire machine and make sure that all hardware is tightened to the recommended torque found in your manual. The MultApplier insert unit is now installed and ready for service. To ensure maximum spreading efficiency, be sure to follow the instructions in your How to Check Your G4 Spread Pattern manual. Remember, regular maintenance and adjustments are key to the longevity of your equipment. To keep your equipment running smoothly and effectively, always use genuine new leader replacement parts. New leader parts are made from the finest materials and meet our high exacting standards. If you should have any questions or problems during the installation, please contact your dealer or the New Leader Service Department at 1-800-363-1771. Highway Equipment Company, building the best since 1939.